Section 2.6, Example 3 on page 137, we have you have seen functions represented as equations involving x and y, such as y equals negative 3x plus 1. Below is the same equation written using function notation. F of x equals negative 3x plus 1. Notice that f of x replaces y. It is read f of x. The letter f is the name of the function, not a variable. The function notation is used to emphasize that a function value f of x depends on the independent variable x. Other letters besides f can be used, such as g and h. Example 3 says the function w of x equals 250 times x represents the number of words w of x you can read in x minutes. How many words can you read in 8 minutes? Since we're trying to figure out how many words we can read in 8 minutes, we're going to plug in 8 for every x. This gives us w of 8 equals 250 times 8. On this side, w of 8 is not w times 8. This is simply saying the number of words we can read in 8 minutes is, so we're going to leave this side as w of 8 the entire time. All we really need to do is simplify the right-hand side, so 250 times 8. Once you multiply 250 times 8, you should get 2,000, and we are done. Please do not try to divide both sides by 8. This doesn't say w times 8, so we're not going to divide both sides by 8. This is actually your final answer. This means that if we're looking at 8 minutes, we can read 2,000 words. So this is sort of an easier way to remember what your input was to get your output. So your final answer, since this is a word problem, would be you can read 2,000 words in 8 minutes. The next slide has this work written out. And then on page 137, we have the following. You try number 5. You are buying orange juice for $4.50 per container and have a gift card worth $7. The function f of x equals 450x minus 7 represents your total cost f of x if you buy x containers of orange juice and use the gift card. How much do you pay to buy 4 containers of orange juice?